This video is my most highly recommended video, period. It's also my highest viewing video, period, from Shapellx. Stay tuned. Hey, sweetie fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm favorite Patra Denise, produced by Zenny Productions, and this here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey, if you're not a part of the sweetie fam, go right down there to that subscribe button. Click the bell so you can be notified because I drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 a.m. and that's on period. But if you've known me and got the bell clicked and kind of see what's going on, I've been dropping crazy content. And a lot of times it's because content is sponsored, so it cannot wait until my drop days. If you're not following me on all the social media platforms at Forever Patra Denise, please do so. All the information is in the description because I've been dropping content like just I just be dropping content, like dropping bombs. So make sure you stay tuned. But let's get right into this video. This video is sponsored by Shapellx. Y'all know I've been rocking with Shapellx since about late August, early September of 2020. And baby, they've been getting me all the way together. I mean, bow, right? They've been getting me all the way together, and I'm just really excited to be a brand ambassador for Shapellx, and all of my information is also in the description. Don't forget to use my code SweetieFam. You know I got a support for the home team. Use my code SweetieFam for 15% off. Y'all don't even know what 15% off is a lot. Let's just be clear on that, okay? 15% off is a lot, but they already have between 60 to 80% off plus the additional 50% off. You can't beat that, y'all. You cannot beat that. So I am going to do a review and an unboxing of the newest, shapewear from Shapellx. Let's get it. So here is my packaging bag, and so this is what it came in. So I'm really excited. It is size 5XL, which is my size. I'm between a 4XL and a 5XL, but I just stuck with the 5XL. If you have not seen their newest products, waist trainer, sweatband, thigh band, armband, where they have, come up with a new way to attach the thigh band to the waist trainer sweatband, which is so bomb. I love what they've done to upgrade their products. Also come in new patterns, new prints. Yeah, that video will be in the description. I absolutely love my new shapewear. Like I said, in that video it's a bit tight because it's a 4XL, but I can't believe I'm even in a 4XL. So let's go. Shout out to Shapellx, period. Okay, we're gonna open this up. And y'all know me, I'm gonna throw this plastic bag over there. Y'all already know how I'm cut, so don't act brand new. Oh, suck it now. Look at that. Y'all, I'm gonna come a little bit closer so you can see that. Look at that. Got the little cooch part in there. Yes, I did say cooch. Like, I mean, look at that. Like, look at that little cooch part. Ooh, let me see. Okay, so obviously we have the type of thong, underwear, or garment on the bottom. Here you kind of see that. So, and then you have the straps on the top that are adjustable. Oh, straps. And this is supposed to cover, obviously, your belly. So, I mean, not much stretch in it, but it's supposed to be form-fitting. So, we're going to see what's cracking. We're going to see what's cracking. Now, as you know, I'm unable to be walking around here in a thong, technically, on YouTube because of the rules and regulations and policies. So y'all not finna see my cheeks out because I'm not finna be banned from YouTube. I done worked way too hard. Now, it does have a piece here where you snap it. I'm guessing this is where you would either snap it to go to the bathroom, and this part goes in your cooch. So I did say cooch, and I'm gonna continue to say cooch, okay? It is a 5XL. All right. Y'all, I'm be honest, I'm a little nervous. Now listen, I do have some biker shorts that I could put on top of here. And I'm gonna probably wear a loud color so you can definitely see the difference between this top and my bottom. I will wear my bra because, like, you definitely need to see the difference. And the straps, hopefully I'll be able to change them while I have it on. But actually, I'm going to fix them now. And actually, the straps come off, y'all. Can y'all see that? You can unhook them. See that? And then you can hook them back. So you can just really kind of wear this as like a halter, like with no straps. That's actually really cool. And you can take the straps off the back as well. Same way I did that for the front, they have it for the back. So actually, that was the back I was showing you. They have it for the front and the back. You can take the straps off or leave the straps on. And we're gonna just go ahead and tighten this just a wee bit. I try to get them at the same size, y'all. I literally do my brasiers like this. Now, I did choose a few pieces, particularly dresses, because those are the ones that I would probably wear with some shapewear. I also will put the link to this particular shapewear in the description. And this how it looks on the website, as you can kind of see next to me. Yeah. Y'all, we're about to get this on. Let's try this out on, period. Poo-poo. So here you'll see me with the shapewear under my shorts. And that's the reason why I have it under my shorts, because I don't want you to see my bottom, but you'll see me pull the shapewear over my stomach. And I really just want you guys to see how I'm doing it. I'm not struggling, and excuse the way the quality changed. My watch was kind of doing its own thing. Very easy, very smooth, no struggling. It is definitely form-fitting and keeping everything tight and right like it's supposed to be. Okay, so I was able to pull my all the way up, and now I'm pulling it up, and I actually like how much easier this is able to come on compared to the other one. Now, I do feel like the other one was a bit more form-fitting here. It was a bit flatter here than, or should I say form-fitting, meaning tighter. We're gonna go ahead and pull this one up. We're gonna pull it down just a little bit in the front. So you see how it is? It's very much kind of like a swimsuit here. The bikini cut, right? And then actually using the straps helps pulls it up. So I'm just going to use the straps. And this actually helps pulls it up for the back rows. Actually, let's see if I can get this in here. Okay, there we go. Y'all can see that right there. So it does pull it up in the back. And like y'all see I got my size. You can see here like it is like bathing suit. You can see here like it's like the bathing suit. This is as far as I can go to show y'all without having my whole butt out. But I want to show y'all it's definitely pushing in. And it's actually something I could wear. My only problem with shapewear is when it's time to go to the bathroom, baby, it's time to go to the bathroom. I done had 3 kids. So when you gotta go, you got to go, period. So I don't know if you would have time to unhook it. Now what you probably could do is, pull it to the side, and pee. But even that, you probably get, urine on your hands and all your, So that's the one thing I don't like about stuff like this. Right? But what we're gonna try some clothes on, right? We're gonna try some clothes on and see how it's looking. 2 of these dresses are like can be like a shirt almost. Like, I would definitely have to wear spandex under them. They're actually pretty form-fitting around the tummy area. So this is definitely a good way to see if this really works. We just go ahead. We're going to go ahead and try them on. And that's on period. Again, this is the 5XL. I am in the like 280s, 290s range. A lot of people have asked me, like, you know, what size are you? I'm in the 280s, 290 range. I fluctuate between 280s and 290s, sometimes close to 300 when it's that time of the month. Yes, blow be real for me. And pant size, I am in a 22. So sometimes I get a 24 just to be on the safe side. There's times I can fit a 20. So it just really depends. But specifically a 22 in pants and then a 3X in tops. So yeah. So if you are a 3XL in tops, and girls in like women tops, female tops, plus size tops, then this should work for you. This is definitely, we're gonna do a turnaround real quick, like, okay. Again, we're gonna show the part where it is definitely bikini, okay. We're also gonna show a part where you can see it's kind of thonging it back there. It's kind of thonging it, and I'm you know, it's the most I can show. Let me check the mirror without, you know. Okay, so that shows you that it's the thong. It's in there. It is in there. But it's honestly, it's not uncomfortable. And I'm not the girl that wear thongs. Like, I don't wear thongs. I just I think it's a waste of material. So I don't wear thongs. I like having, you know, cute undergarments, but I do not wear thongs. So this is not uncomfortable at all. It doesn't feel unnormal because I'm the person who do not wear thongs. So if you wear thongs, this is just right up your alley. But this is very smooth. It is very comfortable. I do feel like I could, like, dance, like, oh, Draco. So, clap, clap, clap. Oh, what size said 10 ago? Like, I feel like I'm very comfortable. Y'all, I play too much. Okay. Let's try these outfits on. Be back. Okay, so this is the first dress. With definitely my stomach is firm. Like my fupa is held up. It actually looks appealing now. With shapewear, I don't like the stuffed aspect here. Like a lot of women, you know, look stuffed here, and I don't like that. This actually looks like my stomach could actually possibly just be flat or flatter. Plus size woman with a flatter stomach. I have a lot more rolls, so you would see a lot of rolls. I actually have a hernia too, but y'all can't see none of that. So, I actually would wear this out like with my husband. Now, the one thing I don't like is if y'all kind of see it's like cheeks here, kind of like I got a fake booty. That's what it kind of look like. So, I don't know about that aspect. Like, it's really nothing I could do. Let me pull this down on the side. You can see the lining here. It's just how the dress is made. So I would have to put some type of like flannel shirt, denim jacket around my waist, or long enough, you know, denim jacket, some type of cardigan or something to cover that, because that's unattractive. Like, to be seen like where your panties start and stop. If you're a female, y'all know what it is like. But this was outfit number 1. Again, it is the fabric. It's the way this dress is made. But I do like a whole snack. And that's on period. Okay, so let's try another outfit. This is outfit number 2. And let me tell you, this looks really good with this. And the reason why this looks different is because obviously there's a pattern. The material looks different. But this looks really good. I would actually wear this out. Like, I feel really good in this. This looks really good, y'all. Like, I look like I done lost weight, or should I say I done slimmed down, which I'm doing that anyway. You also cannot see, and I'm looking in my mirror here. It kind of do look like I got a fake booty, but. So this is outfit number 3, or dress number 3, and I definitely like the way it looks on me. You can't, you know, you really can't even tell that I have shapewear on. We're just gonna do a 360. Booty actually looks better in this one. You can't really even tell that I have like the thong type of bottoms on. Definitely, it's definitely giving booty though. It's definitely giving booty. Like, definitely, let's just pose real quick. It's definitely giving booty. Flat stomach and a big booty, yay! I'm not the woman that wears a thong, ever. Like, I haven't worn thongs since, like, my early 20s. And, baby, I'm 35 years old. And I'll be turning 36 in, like, 2.5 weeks. So, no. Thongs are just not my thing. Like I said before, I think they're just kind of a waste of material. But shout out to anybody that wears a thong. Drop a bikini emoji in the comments if you wear a thong. Shout out to y'all. But for me, it's a no-go. So with this being a thong, I don't feel uncomfortable. I don't feel like I notice it, because when you're uncomfortable, you notice it. Like, you feel it. And I definitely feel good. I look good. Shout out to Shapellx for this shapewear that goes under your clothing. Like, they definitely coming through in the clutch. They know what they are doing. So I appreciate Shapellx sending me this, okay? And use my code SweetieFam 15% off, y'all. Use my code. I'm telling you, I've had so many people tell me they've used my code and they enjoy their products from Shapellx. I definitely do. I have a great relationship with the company, and I'm going to continue to be a brand ambassador for Shapellx. Again, all of my information for Shapellx and my code SweetieFam is in the description, so don't forget to check that out and use my code and get you some shapewear. And again, it runs from a size small to a 5XL. Now, that's a large range of sizes for our women. The inclusivity that they have for the company to make sure everybody is included is amazing. So thank you to Shapellx for doing that for us girls, okay? Now, if you're not a part of this Sweetie Film, go right down there to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 a.m. And if you already are a part of this Sweetie Film, thank you so much for following me and staying on this road. Yeah, I'm favorite Patra Denise, and y'all be sweet.